So here we have the T-harness that's going to be going on the Talaria Sting to make the brake lights functional using the factory safety brakes. So this one we already have it installed on here. This female end going to the tail light is where our male end will go onto it. Then up here in the harness, our female will go onto the male. And just kind of tease in there with a fuse holder just in case. Runs along this rail. I usually put it behind the factory wire. So you just take out this screw and that screw. This wire will just come out. It just makes it easier to access. You'll run it behind it, plug it all in. This is up at the safety brakes. I took this one off and put just one connector on versus the two, but yours will have two on it. You don't have to take off the subframe, but it does make it easier to get it all in there nice and pretty. So I'll just pull subframe back on this one. Then you'll access those two screws right here. This wire pulls out. Kind of pull this boot back. Unclip the factory wire. You'll take the two female ends. You'll slide the one in there first. Just help feed it through there. And then once you get the other end through there, you just kind of want to help feed it. You don't want to pull on this tiny wire just in case it would happen to pull out. They're all soldered in there, but just don't be tugging on it too hard. You just kind of help feed it. Grab on the connector, wiggle it through there. Then you got that. You take your male end of the T-harness, plug it into the brake side, plug it into this side. Just make sure you hear the click. Yep, got it. And just go ahead and slide the boot back over. Kind of gives you the length that you're gonna need here. Just straight with that. Then you access your safety plugs. It'll be the two white male that are up at the top. It's usually the furthest back harness. I've already unplugged them, but you can just follow them down from here. It's the bottom one under your brake. You just kind of follow it down, find which one they are. It doesn't matter which one these are plugged into, they're the same thing. You just plug those in. Then you'll run this behind it along the frame. Tuck those down back under there. Put the two bolts in, subframe back on, and that's it.